Welcome to my channel everyone, and to my subscribers, nice to have you back. Now if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Go on, click the button below and the notification bell and leave us a comment, because I like to know what you think. Today I'm reviewing the Dyson V11 Absolute cordless vacuum cleaner, which is claimed to have the same suction power as a corded cleaner.
Well, I'm putting it to the test. I'm pitting it against our old cleaner, a Dyson DC03. Yes, I know it's a bit unfair, a brand new machine against a very old one. This machine has given many years excellent service, and continues to do so. The reasons for its retirement, as given to me by the Chief Executive Officer of the household, are as follows. The cord. It has to be plugged in. And this can sometimes be restrictive. The weight, 6.8 kilos. Yes, it's heavy. However, I can remember at the time of purchase, long before cordless cleaners were around, this was the lightest in the Dyson range. By cordless standards, it's big, cumbersome and noisy. You can only clean half of the stairs from the bottom, and the other half has to be done from the top. So to the V11 Absolute. Compared to the DC03, it's a lightweight at just 2 kilos. Overall, it is quieter, but this does depend on the head or nozzle in use. And yes, the suction is not only equal to, but much better than the DC03. It comes with a whole range of accessories to cover all vacuum cleaning situations. The user manual makes full use of visual graphics, although there are a few pages of written information to digest. At the rear of the machine is the LCD panel, which shows the power modes and the runtime before the battery needs recharging. Dyson claim a runtime of up to 60 minutes. However, this is in the Eco mode, which reduces the power. This machine is showing 75 minutes. In the Auto mode, runtime is quoted up to 30 minutes. As you can see, I'm getting 41. And in Boost, it is considerably less at just 10 minutes. For general cleaning in the standing position, the stick or tube is connected to the cleaner, and one of the cleaning heads to the other end. The Absolute model comes with this high torque cleaning head, which has a slider control to adjust the suction. Maximum for removing ground-in dust and debris from durable floor coverings, hard floors and heavy soiled carpets. Less suction for deep pile carpets, rugs and flooring where greater resistance is experienced. I'll leave it in the central position, which handles most general situations. Also included is a soft roller head, especially for cleaning hard floors. A mini head for stairs and places where the high torque head is too large. There are also brushes and nozzles for soft fabrics, curtains and furniture.
Really, I'm not the best qualified to demonstrate a vacuum cleaner, as it's one piece of household equipment I use infrequently. However, as the CEO of this house did not wish to appear on camera, the job was delegated to me.
On carpet, the suction can definitely be felt, and in my opinion is better than the DC03. However, one machine is brand new and the other is very old. The high torque head pivots on a ball, a reincarnation of James Dyson's first invention, a wheelbarrow with a ball instead of a wheel. This makes the cleaner easy to steer and manoeuvre. The head glides from carpet to hard flooring with ease, as dust appears in the collection bin. Thanks to that ball pivot, cleaning under furniture is a doddle. For stairs, I'm disconnecting the tube and attaching the mini head. Like all of the other heads, it has its own powered brush roller. Now, as a handheld cleaner, it's easy to get into tight corners and crevices and complete the stairs right to the top in one go. The narrow nozzle is ideal for finishing the job and cleaning those awkward nooks and crannies. The soft brush. This is ideal for curtains and fabrics where a gentle touch is required. The brush, which converts to a wide nozzle attached to the tube, makes cleaning those difficult to reach places very easy. I'm now going to demonstrate the difference between the high torque and the soft roller heads on a hard floor. In the kitchen, a spill of flour creates a white dust, so the first to clean it up, the high torque head. More flour, and it's now the turn of the soft roller head. Auto or medium power setting was used for this demonstration. I think I can safely say the soft roller head has the edge in this situation. However, both handle the job well. Now for a rug on a hard floor which can move around a bit. I'm using the high torque head with the slider on minus for reduced suction and the power on eco mode. Well, I can still feel the suction, but the rug isn't moving at all. Emptying the dust collection bin is simplicity itself. Just push the slider and the dust and debris is ejected in one action. Slot the V11 into the docking station and it's charging, ready for the next cleaning session. One small item that caught my eye in this What You Need to Know leaflet: battery saving trigger, extends runtime and preserves battery life. What it really means is when you take your finger off the trigger, the machine stops and doesn't use any power. This machine has a very light trigger. You've only got to touch it and it springs into action. However, if you do suffer from finger fatigue, there is a gadget. It's not made by Dyson, but it will lock the trigger on, and there's another button to press to unlock it, which to me seems totally unnecessary.
The first thing you notice about this machine is the price tag. It is mega expensive, possibly 3 times more than the DC03 when it was new. Having said that, it does everything it's claimed to do. It comes with a comprehensive set of tools for every cleaning task around the house and in the car. The suction on this cleaner is phenomenal. The LCD screen shows the power setting and the runtime left before the battery needs recharging. And if that's not enough, you can have a second battery, which on this model can be changed at the flick of a switch. All in all, the Dyson V11 gets the thumbs up from the household CEO. Now, if there's anything more you'd like to know about this V11, then subscribe to my channel and put your question in the comments box below. I'll pass it on to the boss and post her reply. Well, that's all for this time, so until the next time, it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.